Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a knife that I found just when I browsed on AliExpress. It looks interesting, so it comes in a unmarked white box. I did put the model number on it. The seller just described it as a TT68. This is a automatic knife. Disclaimer: maybe this could be as a knockoff or a clone of some known knife maker. I'm not aware of the design being as such, but if you know who was the designer or who invented the original pattern of this knife, just please share in the description down below with us all, so that we know and we are informed. But let's talk about the knife. So this knife, it cost around $29. This is a push button automatic, so it has a applied blue color on the blade and also on the handle. This is a full stainless steel construction. They did try to mill out a nice huge pocket or pockets inside the scale, so the knife is a little bit lighter. And the blade used, the blade steel used on the blade is 9CR13 MOV, so nothing special, not even D2, which I am a little bit disappointed. Certainly for the price they could use a D2, a Chinese D2 of course. Okay, so the specifications are as following. The overall length is 19.8 centimeters or 7.8 inches. The handle is 11.6 centimeters or 4.5 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters or 3 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The blade width is 1.2 centimeters on the widest part here, or 0.8 inch, and the handle thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.55 inches. The handle is made out of stainless steel and it has a nice carbon fiber inlay. As you can see, the fibers poking a little bit out. I try to zoom in. There you go. You can see the it has a really nice color and also mill design. And the weight, of course, I have to mention, is 137 grams or 4.8 ounces. So under 5 ounces, but still, in my opinion, a little bit on the heavy side for such a knife. The blade play, it is present just a tiny little bit. You can probably adjust it with the pivot screw. The centering is, I would say, almost perfect. Opens nice, like I would compare it with the Genzo, so no problems there. This is a standoff construction, so if you get your knife dirty, you can just blow it out or put it underwater. It has a full stainless steel, so probably also heat treated pocket clip, because it's really hard to lift it off. Let's see the profile in the pocket, of course. You need to push a little bit harder because of the tension here, but this is how much it will stand out. And I must say, as if you're carrying jeans, so the blue jeans of course, then it will be nicely almost hidden. From afar probably nobody would know that you are carrying a knife, of course. It depends. Okay, the pricing. So the price of the knife is $28.99, so almost $30. What I would say, it's a little bit hard to decide on this one. Probably I would recommend to just get a Ganzo, just because you will save money. So let's say the G736, or if you don't like the pocket clip option, the G719. Both, in my opinion, are extremely well made and tremendous value for your money. You will save maybe $8, maybe $10, depending on the current pricing on these, but no near the $30 price point. Yes, you don't have the carbon fiber inlays and this nice blue color, but these are much lighter knives and also well made. So there is a huge market for around $30, which from you can choose. Okay, just keep that in mind. But if you like this blue one, then by all means go search the TT68. I will try to link down below. Maybe the seller has some left, but usually with all those small retailers on AliExpress, they go out of business real fast. So maybe if you are seeing this video in the future, the link will be not functional or the store will be closed. Okay, so but the overall intention for this knife, probably office carry, EDC, opening packages, opening mail, maybe peel your apple and or prepare something small for lunch. For size comparisons, I have here for you a couple of knives, like we usually do here on my channel. So this is the small reptilian. Let's see the not dark, a large reptilian. Let's see the K-bar dozer. So the Spider Co, Delica. This is Endura here. Yes. The Bug Vantage Pro. Hmm, 940. So probably you are getting the sizing. It sits in the hand really nicely. I don't feel any hot spots. Maybe the pocket clip will be a nuisance for some of you because it rides really high. So, but of course you could take it out, put it in the vise and flatten it a little bit out. It will be nicer if it was a little bit thinner, but yeah, you have plenty of room even if you are an XL large hand. In the reverse grip you could also use it, Probably you can also use it as a self-defense implement. This could probably also break glass. It's overall interesting design. Okay, so if you have any questions, like always, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to release videos at least 3 times per week, usually knife gear oriented, and also a hobby related video will be down the road soon. I have lots of gear and stuff here on me, just need the time to make these videos. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.